Hey Gaudians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. Today we will be covering the big if function. And we have to admit that Excel would not have gained that much significance if there would have been no if function. So let's see how we can use the if function. Equal to if brackets open, we have to give the logical test now. If this cell is greater than this cell, and when we put the comma, our logical test is completed. Value if true means that if this logical test pass, then what value will appear as an answer. And in this case you can easily see that 20 is greater than 10, so the value if true will appear as an answer. If you want to write yes or no or any text, you have to put the double inverted commas if it's a text, comma. Finally, we have to give the value if false. Again, as I am writing the text, so I have to put the double inverted commas. Brackets close. This completes the formulation. So we have got our answer. Clarifying another thing. Equal to if brackets open, this cell is greater than this cell, comma. If you want to give any number as an answer, then you don't have to put the double inverted commas. I'm just writing 111. And the value if false, 0, brackets closed, enter. These were the basic instructions for using the if function. Now putting the if function that can be copied easily. Equal to if brackets open, this cell is greater than this cell, comma, value if true, this cell, comma. I'm not able to see the cell, so writing the cell number manually. D6, brackets closed, enter. Dragging the cell will copy the formula. Again, you can clearly see that 0.75 is not greater than 40, so value if false was 2, and this is the 2 that we have got as an answer. Also, 50 is not greater than 60, so value if false was wow, and we have got this answer. Now moving towards the practical example. We want to calculate the bonus amount for employees A, B and C if their spent hours exceeds the standard weekly hours. So equal to if brackets open, these standard hours for A are greater than 40, and we want to fix this cell, so pressing F4, comma, this completes our logical test, and if this logical test is true, then we want $50 to be allocated, which is our value if true. Pressing F4 again to fix this cell, comma, and no bonus should be awarded if the logical test fails, so 0. Brackets closed, enter. Dragging the cell will copy the formula. You can clearly see that 39 is not greater than 40, so no bonus is awarded. 45 is greater than 40, so amount of $50 is awarded. And again 52 is greater than 40, so bonus is awarded. Finally, calculating the total amount equal to weekly salary plus this bonus amount. Dragging the cell will copy the formula. You can see the power of F4 key tutorial in our previous video tutorials. This concludes this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering the conditional formatting. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.